Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Queen and Nikki. Thank you so much, my lovely subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in. And my new subscribers, you are all welcome. In this today's tutorial, I have Gele tutorial. Sorry guys, and this is my lovely girl You all know when she started, but now I was busy when she kept tying this Gele, so I need to show you guys how far she has gone. So now I want to interview so that she will tell us how she tied this Gele and the measurement that she used. Just look at her, you can see she's trying to arrange it. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
So interview time. So can you please tell us the measurements of this Gele? Like the measurements. People want to hear you.
Okay. The measurement I used was 80-20.
Really?
Yes.
So what makes it 80-20?
Okay. Because the Gele is not very long.
Okay.
As what I'm expecting.
Okay.
So that's it.
That is why it's 80-20. Okay. So now can you tell us the name of this lovely Gele?
Okay. The name is round fan.
Round fan.
Yes.
Okay. What makes this particular Gele fan and the round? Can you show me? Okay. Show our subscribers the fan part and the round part, so like they want to know. Even me, I don't know, so I need to know.
The up is the fan, while the down makes it round.
Wow.
So it's called round fan.
So how do you feel when you try to achieve this Gele? How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Wow. So how long have you been trying to tie this Gele?
For a very long time.
So you are glad that you are able to achieve it now? Oh God. Oh yeah, round of applause. My girl is making me happy. My girl is making me happy. Come on, man, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So my lovely subscribers, if you really want to show you the making of this Gele, for you to be sure, leave a comment in the comment section. Like, I'm so happy. I'm super excited. Thank you for making me proud. My lovely subscribers, thanks for tuning into the channel. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Tell them bye bye. I love you. We love you. Oh, mwah.